everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya from Millennial Mommyhood, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you that how I'm planning these things day by day for a particular week for my homeschooling series. So this is going to be very easy and it will help you to plan and schedule everything on the weekend itself, so that throughout the week you can easily follow the same thing. And yeah, so keep watching. So earlier what I used to do was I used to schedule everything. I used to write down what are the things that we are supposed to do for a particular week, and I used to randomly give it to him. And I also used to have this particular shelf in which all the activities will be kept, and he'll be taking one things from there, and we'll be kind of having a practice using that particular thing. But now I have moved on to a very particular way of scheduling, because it kinds of make my work even more simpler, and it's kind of way more planned than what it was before. So this is a method which I have actually learned while I was working as a teacher in a school. So for the activities, like we used to have different kinds of activity periods, and all for those kind of activity periods I used to have these kind of files, and I used to place all the activities inside that for a particular class, so that it's easy for me to take and teach. It's kind of a whole package, so I just need to take it and go into the class and present it in front of them. Now the same thing I'm kind of following over here. So let me tell you first of all what kind of bags are these, and what kind of things are inside it, and how we are planning, and everything about that. So basically these are actually envelope folders. You'll get this anywhere in stationery shop. I got mine from Amazon. If you want, I'll put the link in my description box. You can go and check it out. So this one was very affordable. So it came in a pack of 5, and it was actually 5 which I was looking for also, because when I was planning, I always plan for Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday I give it a break to do the activities, or to kind of have a chill period wherein we actually don't indulge in a lot of study kind of thing. Instead we just have fun and a lot of open-ended play, and movie watching and other things like that. So for that reason, these are only 5 in number, so I got these 5 envelope folders, and you can see over here I have actually named this one as Friday. So this is envelope for Friday. Similarly, I have envelope for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday also. So 5 envelopes for 5 days in a week. Now how do I plan this entire thing is the same way. I use sticky notes. I put sticky notes in the place where I plan and schedule everything. So I have sticky notes for each day, like Monday to Friday. So there are 5 sticky notes, and I put date on that, and I write what are the things that I'm going to include in that particular day's learning, and those things I kind of fill up in this particular bag, and it is kept. So once this is done, I do it either on Saturday or Sunday. So once this is done, it takes like half an hour for me to arrange everything. But once this is done, I don't have to worry for the entire week, because all I need to do is take one particular bag, open that, and use the things which is inside it, teach the child, put everything back, and it goes back into the same place. So this is how I'm going to plan all my weeks ahead from here on. So let me just open this one and I'll show you how it actually looks like. So envelope folder, you all know what it is. It's pretty sturdy. The quality is good. They are pretty colorful. So I have kept one board book over here. So we are going to study about boards using this board book, few videos, few pictures and things like that. So this book it contains everything. It is from a library, that My Library thing which you get for children. And then over here we have the ABAB pattern. So for small kids, we don't go for ABC pattern. We usually go for ABAB pattern. So that is why I have this small pattern sheet over here. It's a Velcro activity. And also, since we are doing our unit pack on transportation, I also have few flashcards, or I can say few language cards for transportation. So I have these things over here. We have speedboat, we have rocket, we have tank, we have wagon, then we have helicopter, we have jet ski, and so many other things. So we are going to learn about all these names on that particular day. He's already through almost all the names of the vehicles by now, but we'll kind of learn more about it. So when I'm saying about learning more about it, so when I'm introducing him to rocket, I will also show him some real-time rocket pictures. real-time rocket videos. Okay, so this is how we are going to plan for the entire learning. And as I told you, when we are going to do this boat, I'm going to also do like show him different kinds of boats and different kinds of activities maybe related to boat, depending on how much ever time I'm having. And it is for that reason that these pouches, these envelopes have been kept very simple, because I didn't wanted to have a lot of things stuffed inside this. So very simple, because it should be something which I should be able to manage with my daily work as well. So less number of activities, but kind of being covered over a particular week. So this way I'm having for Monday, as I told you, I'm having for Monday to Friday, like for 5 days. Saturday, Sunday will be more of open-ended play, or more of free play, or maybe some kind of good sensory setup or anything like that. Depends on again what time am I having with me. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how do I plan it on my sticky note. So I'll take you there now. So you can see over here I have put these sticky notes. Earlier my way of planning was totally different. I used to write on sticky notes, and then I used to randomly take those things out and then do the activities with Dhruv. But now I am going to plan it properly, and I'll show you how this have to be done and what are the things that I'm using for the same. So we are going to start from Monday to Friday, so that is why keeping only 5 days, and Saturday and Sunday is going to be more of free ended play, wherein I'm not going to play but randomly give him certain activities. So let's start with this. So I'm going to write the days over here. So 16th August, and then we have 17 August, then we have 18 Aug, then we have 19 Aug, and we have 20 August. So these are the 5 days which are going to come in this particular week, and I'll show you how I'm going to schedule for each and everything separately. So over here you can see Monday I have the book as frog. We have matching halves activity, sleeping line activity. We have a few buttoning and unbuttoning kind of practical life skills activity over here, and vehicle names I have written over here, which we are going to cover on Monday. Similarly for Tuesday we have a book on car, we have animal matching, we have vehicles on these things, then we have rubber band activity, and then we are going to do number 1 and 2. Over here we are having books, book on rabbit, then numbers, like just a regular number thing we are going to have. Other than that, 1 and 2 we are going to have separately. Then we have these vehicles, and then practical life skills on lock and key. Over here, this is Thursday, 19th of August. We are going to have books, which is on alphabet, and then we are going to have size sorting, vehicles, all these vehicles. Then we are going to have practical life skills on cutting, and again we are going to repeat 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we are going to repeat for this entire week. And then book on board, ABAB pattern. This I have already showed you. So these are the things that we are going to have for Friday. Hope this video was very helpful. If you like the video, do try it out. All the resources that you need for these things are linked in my description box. You can go and check it out. In case you have any doubt, you can drop it in the comment section. If there is any kind of video you want me to do, you can drop it in the comment section as well, and I'll try to do the same for the next part. If you feel that this video was very useful, do subscribe to my channel. If you have already not done it, like this video and do drop in a comment as well. Bye.